This GOACC GRC-04 assortment gives you a wide spread of common automotive retainer sizes that cover most trim, bumper, fender, and splash shield jobs on many major vehicle brands. The plastic clips are made from sturdy material that holds up well to prying and vibration, so they are far less likely to crack or crumble than the tired originals you are replacing. Having 240 pieces in one kit means you can tackle multiple repairs or restorations without constant trips to the parts counter hunting for single fasteners. The included fastener removal tool makes it much easier to pull old clips without chewing up paint or trim, which is especially helpful if you do your own maintenance. The compartmented storage case keeps the 20 clip styles neatly separated and clearly visible, so you can quickly find the size you need instead of digging through a messy bin. For home mechanics and detailers, this kit is a convenient way to keep body hardware on hand, turning what used to be a frustrating missing clip into a quick, tidy fix.